Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 Gimbal Stabilizers. Today, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two popular options for smartphone videography. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, choosing the right gimbal can make a significant difference in your filming experience. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is a more budget-friendly option at $209 making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. On the other hand, the iSteady M7 comes at a higher price point of $299, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're on a tight budget, the M6 might be the way to go. But if you need the extra functionality, the M7 could be worth the investment. Both gimbals offer impressive stabilization and AI tracking capabilities. However, the iSteady M7 stands out with its detachable touchscreen remote, allowing for real-time previews and intuitive controls. The M6, while still effective, features a smaller OLED display and lacks the remote functionality. Additionally, the M7 includes a built-in extension pole, enhancing creative shooting options, while the M6 does not have this feature. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The iSteady M7 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 12 hours, ensuring you can shoot for extended periods without interruption. Unfortunately, the battery life details for the M6 are not specified, which may be a concern for potential users. If long shooting sessions are essential for your projects, the M7 clearly has the advantage here. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 offer great features for smartphone videography, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The M6 is perfect for those looking for an affordable option, while the M7 provides advanced features for serious content creators. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.